Greetings from beautiful beaches, Turks and Caicos.
Sorry it has taken us so long today to update you guys, but we made it to beaches, Turks and Caicos.
Yep, we had an early flight, landed about 10:45, got to the resort probably by 11:30.
Yeah, we had a direct flight from Boston, which was really nice.
And our village was the first stop, so we were dropped off first, so it was super quick.
Which we're staying in the Key West village, if you can't see from behind us.
Yeah, this is our 4th stay here, and we just absolutely love it every single time.
My favorite village. We are in the veranda house this trip.
Yep, just did a little bit of eating, a little bit of drinking, a little bit of swimming in the ocean.
Green flag day for the beach, so it was amazing.
Yep, room wasn't ready until like 3:45, probably.
Yeah,
but
pretty
it's
late today.
Yeah, we're on the 4th floor, so Ashley's parents decided to take the kids because it looks like it's going to be an early night for them. They're super tired. It's 6:10 now, so Ashley and I are going to go to Sky for an adults-only dinner, and hopefully you guys will tag along. With it being as late as it is, just realized it's probably going to be a super short vlog for the first one, but just want to reiterate that we will be here all week, so Saturday to Saturday, Veterans Day week, so we are super stoked to bring you guys along for the ride to one of our favorite resorts.
We're so excited.
So plenty more vlogs to come after this one, so let's head on out to dinner. So we always love this courtyard. They added some seats here with an umbrella, and there's a ping pong table down in the distance, which I'm sure Camden will drag me over to at one point this week.
They have ping pong tables everywhere. They have yard games everywhere.
Yeah.
The library, we can walk out that way.
Oh yeah. Yeah, with a stroller, we'd never really get a chance to go this way, so it'll be nice to...
I saw 2 separate weddings.
Yeah. Oh yeah, so this is... It looks different. Was it always like this? I feel like it was like a full bookshelf.
I mean, like the decor is a little different. Guys, this veranda is so nice to sit at. It's dark out right now, so you can't see it, but like, it's such a nice spot to sip and drink coffee.
Over here, yeah.
Like in the morning, or just if you're waiting for your family to like get ready and you just don't want to be in the room anymore. Like, it's such a pretty spot.
Yeah, sure. So Bayside looks like it may be open for buffet. I think that's where Ashley's parents were going to take the kids. Actually, no, I think they were going to take them to...
They got them pizza, and then I think they were going to go to Mario's.
Oh no, I thought it was your mom was going to take them to the place by the water slides. What's the name of it?
Bobby D's?
Bobby D's, yes. I almost called it Mickey D's. But yeah, Sky is up top. Yeah, it's hard to see in the dark, but yeah, there's shuttle service with golf carts. Alright.
It was a great sunset, but we missed videotaping it.
Yeah, we got our room super late, and then we were unpacking, so didn't get a chance to catch it. So we did get a table alongside the beach. Got the beach right there. There's a wedding going on right there. Super dark, but I'm gonna try to read you the menu. You might not be able to see it on your end. We got scallop ceviche, tuna tartare, chipotle braised pork belly, kale and quinoa salad, paella seafood stew, pan-seared duck breast, pan-seared mahi, grilled salmon, Peruvian seafood rice, borek, which is vegan, beef tenderloin, and then we got a tropical fruit pavlova and a brownie cheesecake. Alright, we got bread. We got like a jalapeno cheese bread and some different options for butter and oil.
It looks so warm.
Oh, nice. I need to try it. Alright, appetizers are here. I got the pork belly over a sweet potato hash with pickled onions over some barbecue sauce. Actually got the quinoa and kale salad. But I am hungry. I'm going to dive in. Look at that pork belly. Looks so good. Alright, I don't think I recorded dinner, but it was fantastic. This octopus is like a legit octopus. I thought it was going to be like a calamari, but this thing is like a baby octopus.
I did have a couple of bites, but now I'm starting to get creeped out by its like head and eyes. Mussels and shrimp were fantastic. Rice was good. I actually loved her steak.
My steak was really good. I wasn't really a fan of like that potato thing at the bottom. I don't know what it was.
Yeah, but you had asparagus with it, and
asparagus and carrots. And
yeah.
But my steak was like so good.
Looked a little overcooked to me, but
I liked it like that.
Yeah.
It had like a nice little gravy sauce.
Yeah, nice. Alright, we grabbed some drinks to go on the road. I got an espresso martini. I actually got another, I think they called it aphrodisiac. She liked it upstairs at the restaurant, so I'm going to take it with us on a walk. Got a wedding going on over there. DJ is popping. We went for a quick walk to the end of the pier to see some fish. There's a lot of fish down by the pier. You can really see it in the... Oh, yeah, you can see it that way.
Is there the light shining at the end of the pier?
Yeah, I don't ever remember that being here, so
Yeah, I don't
this is a
remember
nice
the
little
light.
feature. Watch your step, there's like rope and stuff over here. Alright, we're gonna scope out the the coffee stop for tomorrow morning. We heard there's a new one, so I want to see where it is so we're not wandering tomorrow morning.
Guys, it's so nice here.
And now the temperature is comfortable. It was so hot today.
It's like so nice.
Yeah, this resort is beautiful. Alright, this is my favorite bar in the whole resort.
Paul can't walk by this bar and not have a drink.
Yep. Have to stop. Alright, here is Jojo Java. We are coming in to check this out. Oh no. Pistachio donuts, chocolate. The fan, when I walked in, spilt my drink all over me. Can you believe it? I walked in, this fan just like blew down on my drink and it like dripped all over my thing. But there it goes again. But yeah, it's nice. Coffee. Oh wow. Oh, no kidding. I'm curious to check it out. Are we able to walk that way? Yeah, we're trying to go out the exit. Excuse me, sorry. So this is the soft serve. You got toppings down that way. That's cool. I wish I checked out the toppings, but it was busy in there. It's a high traffic area. Are we going this way? Okay. Alright, so we got the backside of Mario's there. We got Dino's here, which is very lackadaisy. Photos are that way. You know, actually, I think I need a watch. Can we buy my...
Purchase a watch?
I need a watch this trip. My smartwatch busted this summer in baseball.
Maybe you can buy one in St. Thomas.
And then this watch that I bought on a cruise like 8, 9, 10 years ago.
Yeah, but
it's
that
like,
bad boy like lasted.
It really did. Hold the camera. Let's show it. It's a Citizen watch. But it's just...
Remember when you had your Movado? What happened to that?
I have it. It's just too small. And then I wanted to get a bigger link, and they were like, oh yeah, it's going to cost you $100. So I was like,
Yeah.
$100 for a link. Alright. Alright, let's keep it moving. Alright, the water park is no longer under construction, so this will be open and we'll be able to show you guys that on the next vlog. That's the quick service place. I already forgot the name. I call it Mickey D's. And then that's the teen club that way. But let's cross over. And I think we're gonna head towards the French Village just to grab some, to see what the French bakery has.
This place is so big.
It's huge.
Like every time I turn, I'm like, oh, I forgot about this.
Yeah.
Like I completely forgot about the food trucks.
Yep, they got a mac and cheese food truck over here, which is super cool. So many food options, and they don't even think twice to like serve you both with food and drinks.
And these little cabana things are cool too.
Are they free?
Yeah.
Like first come, first serve?
Yeah. They're
Cool.
cheap.
That's
Or if
very
you have
cool.
a butler, the butler will get it for you.
That's awesome. We're walking up these steps. So this is the mac and cheese food truck.
So good. Don't miss.
I think I've only had it one time in the 3 trips that I've been here, and it's just always because I'm just, oh, balloons are flying away. Can't see it.
Yeah.
But yeah,
no
there's
one
just
really wants like hot mac and cheese when you're sitting by the
pool.
and it's like 90 degrees out.
I know. It sounds like we got some kid karaoke.
Thank you so much once again. Come on, make some noise for them.
Yeah, I love it here.
Thank you.
All right, next up, Cafe de Paris.
Coffee and bring it back to the room for tomorrow morning.
Oh wow. Oh, this place has the best air conditioning. Yeah, they have fantastic desserts. I don't want to cut these people and shove my camera in there, but let's hop over here. We got a banana loaf. It does show that it is dairy-free, nut-free, and egg-free. Chocolate brownie, vegan. Carrot loaf, vegan. Granola bar. Fianciere, vegan. Some fruits and yogurts down at the bottom. And then let's see what we have here on this side. 6 passion almond. Ooh, those chocolate eclairs look so good.
Oh, Paxton's gonna want these bad boys.
Macaroon.
He asked for macaroons the other day.
Coffee cake up top. What does that say? Pistachio. Can't really see the bottom. Very peanut, tree nut heavy. Definitely not safe for camping, but everyone else can enjoy. They do have a self-serve cookie station here as well. We got sugar cookies, chocolate chip cookies, and oatmeal cookies. Looks like 2 of the 3 are wiped out, and you're just left with oatmeal raisin cookies. And then here's some of the coffee options that you can have here. Again, this is completely complimentary, all included in your stay. Very cool. My favorite bar is Jam Packed. Look at this. We showed up before and there was no one here, and he was like, yep, 1 minute to the next, it's going to be busy. We'll see. All right, Mario's is over there. We got Cricketers over here, which is the sports bar. Got some great wings in there. Might have to pop in there tomorrow to check out some scores of some football games.
Yeah, but they just had the cutest little pop-up snack stand.
I know, I wish I actually showed it. Yeah, they had nachos and hot dogs and popcorn. It was very cool. We got a little tennis action going on over here.
At least it was an apple and not your camera.
Yeah, at least it was in a bag and not raw. Oh, look how peaceful this is at night. Everyone is just zonked out from drinking all day.
I love it here because it really is such like a lazy vacation. Like, this is one destination that we come back from and we like feel rested. I mean, I don't feel rested today because it was a long travel.
Yeah, I've been
day,
up since 2:55 a.m. and it's 8:05, so I've been up for 18 hours now. But yeah, I agree. This is a very relaxing,
sleepy vacation. But there's still like so many activities to do if you want.
so many restaurants to eat at, so much, so many different bars to grab, and every bar has their own specialty drink.
Yeah, so make sure you ask what the specialty drink is. at
Yeah.
the bar. Oh, they're building something over there. I wonder what it is.
Oh yeah.
It's not the new village.
All right, that's the lobby that we checked in at. So this is like the hallway to get into the room, so we're obviously not looking out this way. Although some people do have rooms that do look that way. So ours is looking out into the other courtyard. I think we should be able to actually see those tennis courts that we saw. Alright guys, that is going to do it for day one. Super short, super quick vlog, but like I mentioned earlier, we have a ton of content coming. We are coming full steam this trip. Super excited to bring you guys along for the ride. Good first day. Excited for tomorrow. Ashley, anything?
Excited for bed.
Yeah.
But
Been
I
up
am
for,
excited for tomorrow.
I think we've been up for 19 or 20 hours at this point, so this bed is going to feel incredible going to sleep. Real quick before we go, I will show the sleeping situation for the kids. So we got Camden up there, and then the Murphy bed down below, and then Paxton sleeping there. And then they got a rollaway bed for Nolan there, watching a college football game. And I got some work to do over here. So yeah, sleeps family of 5. So have a good night, and we will catch you guys on the next one. Thanks, guys.
Bye, guys.
Thank you for watching and say